Let's explore Centrix One's self-service portal. Located in the Settings module, the self-service portal allows you to understand how Centrix One CRM is being used across your organization, manage your plans, and adjust the usage limits to better serve your needs. You must be the account owner to be able to make changes. An account administrator will be able to view the usage stats, but will not be able to make any purchases. Here we have a view on the overall account usage for the current period. The Accounts and Contacts tracker shows us the number of unique accounts and unique contacts currently in the database. Usage limits are determined by your plan and number of users. For example, for this account, I have 8 users in the Pro plan and 5 users in the Growth plan, allowing me to enter a total of 45,000 unique accounts and contacts in my database. I currently only have 47 contacts in my database, so I am able to add up to 44,953 more. Emails sent tracks the number of emails sent via Centrix One's email module for the current period. Once again, usage limits are determined by your plan and number of users. File storage gives us a summary on the space currently being used by all users for storing files, images, and any documents that have been uploaded into Centrix One. Web Forms tracks the number of forms created in the entire account. The Automations tracker keeps count of the number of automations currently active for all users in the account. And the Automation Actions tracker calculates the number of actions executed after an active automation has been triggered. If your account has reached the limit of accounts, contacts, emails, storage capacity, web forms, automations, or automation actions, you may wish to add additional blocks by clicking on the Buy More button. For this demo, let's assume that the holiday season is coming up, and my company has planned multiple marketing campaigns, which will require a total of 6 web forms. Since we have almost reached the limit of web forms currently being used in this account, I will choose to purchase an additional block of web forms. To do so, let's click on the Buy More button in the Web Forms section. One additional block adds 5 more web forms to my account. If I required even more web forms, I would have chosen to purchase 2 additional blocks, which would have given me access to 10 more web forms. Once we are happy with our choice, we can go ahead and proceed to payment by credit card or Google Pay, depending on the payment method on file for this account. The additional block of web forms purchased is immediately added to the current period, and will renew automatically for the next period every month. If you do not wish to keep the same monthly limits for the next period, you can reduce or cancel them before the next period starts. To do so, send us an email at info@centrix.one and our team will adjust the usage quantities. In the self-service portal, we also have the options to add text messaging and outbound phone calling with call recording. To activate one of these options, click on the Activate button. You may also use the self-service portal to manage your plans by clicking on the Manage Your Plans button in the Active Plan section. Here you can adjust your subscription, edit account info, address, methods of payment, and view the payment history. And that's a quick overview of this module. The Centrix One team is always available if you have any questions or require further training.